we think what's happening right now is there's too much lift in the back, and when the rear wing outside edge breaks the water, it loses its lift, and that starts twisting them left to right. So right now John's trying to reduce the amount of lift in the rear foils by pushing on both the pedals and changing the range and tension on the rear foil controls. But it seems like there's just a lot of lift in the back, and that's both bringing those foils out of the water and destroying the lift, and also bringing the motor up pretty high, which is cavitating and not ideal. So I think we need to get some lift out of the back. He's gonna try one more. See if I can capture the rear wings outside edge breaking the water so that it's visible.
Try a little run now.
Yep. Take your time.
Yeah.
There's no hurry. So there the right wing broke. Yep, that was exactly it, John. You came up, and then the outside edge of your white ring broke out of the water, and you lost that lift. So you'll be able to see it pretty clearly on this. And I can see the red line on the front, and it's high. It's real high. It's high. The line's high.
It seems to come up high and then it goes back down.
Yeah, you're high overall. I think you'll be able to see it clearly in the video.
Yeah.
But basically, you got so much lift in the back that it's almost got the prop out, and it's breaking the rear foils up out of the water. So yeah, neither of the foils broke through on that time. They both stayed under. Let's see if we can see it again here. So they're both running right at the surface in the back. That was pretty smooth, just high overall. High front and back. Good. If you can stay behind them like the last one, that's the best spot for me. Just try to stay behind him a bit so that I can see it. Stay back a little bit. So you can see the left edge starting to come up right now. Left back is just, the outside edge was just trailing there, just breaking the surface, and that's what happens. And there it's breaking, and that brought you down. You can see it right there. That left edge broke the surface, and you lost the lift. So that was it, John, right there. Your left edge came up and broke the surface, and you lost your lift. So I'd say we've got to take significant lift out of the back.